Okay, we're in the Vilcabamba Mercado, and this is my friend Henry of Sunrise Farms. He has organic, all-natural chicken, the best chicken in town. He's in booth number 13 here in the Mercado, and you can see he's right here on the corner, right where you come in that door. So we really recommend Henry. We like all of his products. He does a nice job. All right, here's where we get our meat. Here at the Mercado, this gentleman right here has the finest meat in town. All grass-fed beef. And you can see the prices are right there. Best hamburger anywhere.
Fresh ground.
Fresh ground, yeah, just ground it. Good quality hamburger. ¿Cuántos cuesta hamburguesa? $2.50 a pound for hamburguesa. Just a little close-up of the steaks. T-bones, tomahawks, all grass-fed. Okay, this is mi amigo. Has a really nice pork, and as you can see, he's got everything pork-oriented, and really good prices on his pork. Right here in the Mercado in Vilcabamba. This is mi amigo Mayu. He has the most wonderful cacao and chocolate in all of Ecuador. Yeah, there you go, right there. Pure chocolate, and it is wonderful.
Anti amiga, ¿de dónde es?